I go to give the technical answer, I don't understand the workshop video very well.
Okay,
I have understood that when I removed from question and answer from my head. I can catch better if I know that it takes me inclusively, and teamwork will be handling easier for me in that case. And my teammates are very good. They are very helpful. At Varnika Shukanto, I'm grateful to them. And I need a professional help, because I mentioned again, I'm telling you, when I go to give the technical answer, I don't understand the workshop video very well. I understood very well when it, question answer removed from my head, and and yesterday night I understood very well the test case writing, and I work at 3 a.m. full of joy in my mind, and I feel energetic. It helps for me. So it is my problem. I don't know. I need professional help in that case.
The question is, as I reviewed, if you do not understand, right?
Yes.
You didn't set up a meeting. You need to raise a question, because the Yusha knows all of this. Our entire team knows all of this, but you did not raise a question. Okay, I don't know why I'm going to use the environment variable. I did not fully understand the English. Or can someone show me how to do this? But you did not set up any meeting that, okay, I have a bunch of list that I need to go over. Otherwise, how we are going to do?
Yes, when I feel that the test case, I have to understand clearly, I set a meeting with Hasibul Ahmed, and after that, in full of joy in my mind, and I start writing that, because I feel that I have to understand, and then I work with that. It's my it's from my side.
So we have done enough API testing, enough, but I was shocked to find out that
you told me that you text me that stop up, stay basic. So I didn't touch your website, Swagger, anything, because you told me I follow your instruction. That you instructed me that don't do that, stay basic. Yeah, then I
thought it is fully misunderstood. So how come you did not show any screenshot, so that, okay, next time if it is a fairly communication mistake, since everybody said I did not say such things. Basic means what we do, just follow us. Means do not go anywhere. Do not do anything. Do not follow anything. What we do exactly, do the same thing. That's the basic means. Because what we show, it's of course the basic. Without you have a basic, you can never do that once. But as I mentioned, next time if you do it, share the screenshot. Okay, this is what I have done. If I saw the screenshot, I will immediately call it. Hey, you are doing something wrong. And then we can communicate and we can fix it. So please, moving forward, if the communication is an issue, send the screenshot in the group chat. Okay, this is what I have done.
Okay.
Because now you have not the understand. I'm happy that you have done the manual test cases. That's good, and that's great. But the API one, you need to do that.
I will do it, and I need professional help. How can I divide question answer and understanding? It's bother me, but if I good understand, if I have good understanding, I'll do that very well.
Okay, so now the question is, you need professional help.
Yes.
So we made this small video, right? And we showed how step by step. So if I will bring Yusha one time to show you do the same thing, is this the professional help you're asking?
Yes.
But so you are saying you are watching video, you do not understand anything?
No, I understanding very well when question answer, technical question answer, remove my head, then I understand very well, because I have no pressure. That workshop video, I have to follow instruction, but question and answer, it's not my head.
So okay. Okay, understood. So for the time being, ignore the technical question for next 15 days. How about that? I give you a break. I give you 15 days break. Do not.
That will very, very helpful, because when yes, that is very helpful.
So let's for you exception. Next 15 days, do not worry about the technical question. All
Okay.
about do all the hands-on, catch up everything.
Of course, I'll do it.
Thank you. That's your work plan. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.